So it's day 6. Good morning. So what I'm gonna do today is first I installed this fan last night, and I needed the AA batteries, so it's connected through a wire. What they do here is they use these metallic wire. So I'm just doing like some of it, and then I'm gonna have an electrician coming in and help me. See, I have one connector here. So the idea is I'm gonna have one plug here, another one in the middle here. I'm gonna have the fan. I'm gonna have to move it actually, because the Murphy bed is right here, right there. So the Murphy bed here will have the headboard right here all the way up, and I decided to do tile. So I'm gonna do tile as a headboard, so it's gonna look good. It's just that the fan, I'm gonna have to move it because it's gonna be dangerous for people. I want the Murphy bed to be about 3 foot high, because the idea is when we open it, it's gonna go on top of the table that we, and then at night, in the morning, we just bring it back. So I need to just move this fan. I'm gonna move it here where the kitchen is, and then I'm gonna put 2 normal light, one light here and another one right here. So like in between the Murphy bed right there and one here. So since I'm doing the caulking on one window, I decided to go over all the windows because last time I did it was like 2 years ago, a year and a half ago. So just to make sure there's plenty of caulking, silicone 100%. So I will do that. did this one, I did the next one here, and then I need to do the one from the master bedroom. Right. So we got a lot of rain last night. The cistern is full, but I didn't have the time to do the caulking on this window that I installed, and it was leaking. But now everything is good. You see, I did all of it, even here. So it shouldn't not be leaking anymore. And I have the flashing on top, so I should be fine. Seal tight. So I'm starting to build the shower nook, I guess that's how you call it. So the idea is you can put your shampoo there and everything, but the other part is I want to put like some sort of rope or something, so you can put like your swimsuit or wet towel and stuff, and it will drip on this. And I'm gonna have some tiles that I used in the past at my house, so I brought it. I have enough to do this part. So yeah, I'm gonna continue and put cement board all over the place here at the shower. Should take me another hour or so.